Hi everyone, welcome to the show. In this session, we are going to talk about all the cues from the global markets and what is internally happening in the Nifty and Bank Nifty और उनके levels आज क्या रहने वाले हैं. अगर आप कल का वीडियो देखते हैं, then all the levels which we have mentioned, market respected those levels, market exactly turned from those levels, whether it is VIX, whether it is Nifty, whether it is Bank Nifty. So हमने काफ़ी अच्छा एनालिसिस किया था and it worked very well. So now let's start for today's analysis. So first of all, let's look at the global cues. I have written down all the key aspects on a paper. Now I am just going to tell you about that. Now, so if you look at the Gift Nifty is in the negative territory, and it was expected because if we look at the open interest positioning in the yesterday's session, so उसके बाद it was expected. So around 0.5% Nifty, so 0.5% Gift Nifty हमें down दिखा रहा है, and that is okay. But there is no worry. I will tell you why. So Gifty is negative. Global indices are mixed. There have been some reports that there is some kind of mediation which is going to happen between Iran and USA. So वहाँ से कुछ clarity नहीं है. Let's leave it there. Let's focus on the crude oil prices which have cooled off by around 2%. So that's important for us. The direction of oil prices is more important than their absolute level. So yesterday from 91 to 88 around they are working. VIX का हमने डिस्कस किया था कि 14 was I was saying that it will be upper level and we were expecting a cool off in VIX. So वो yesterday second half के अंदर ही हमें cool off दिख गया और आज भी हमारा VIX around 13 के आसपास है. आज VIX हो सकता है कि 2 या 3% रेंज बाउंड मूवमेंट दिखाए या फिर थोड़ा सा सेकेंड हाफ के अंदर नेगेटिव साइड में फॉल बैक कर जाए. दैट्स माई एक्सपेक्टेशन. If you look at overall PCR positioning, so PCR is around 1.2 and this is very important number because it is showing kind of bullish sentiment. But there is a counter argument as well. So if you look at PCR purely, so that is the absolute terms mein it is 1.2, and if you look at open interest change in call and puts, from that perspective it is showing negative divergence in the sense open interest जो put and call का positioning है, from that we can see that market is looking little negative, but the point is that positioning is very high. Because of that high positioning मार्केट को नीचे जाने का रूम ज़्यादा नहीं है. मार्केट नीचे जाएगी और उसके बाद देयर इज़ अ चांस दैट इट मे जंप बैक. सो अभी अगर हम देखते हैं निफ्टी के जो लेवल्स हैं उनसे पहले एक बार हम बात करते हैं कि जो हमारे जो की स्टॉक्स रहते हैं, की स्टॉक्स जो निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी का मेजर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स हैं. सो इफ़ यू लुक एट रिलायंस, इट्स इन न्यूट्रल टू नेगेटिव टेरिटरी. HDFC कल पॉजिटिव था बट इट हैज़ नाउ गॉन इनटू द नेगेटिव टू न्यूट्रल कैटेगरी. Airtel is a big positive, ICI is a positive, but it is capped. So इसके अंदर हाई ज़्यादा नहीं जाने की उम्मीद है, but for the day it's capped. इसके अंदर फॉल बैक की भी उम्मीद ज़्यादा नहीं है. So we will keep it as positive but capped. SBI is positive. TCS is now turning negative to consolidation zone, and then the bank, then the Bajaj Finance is positive, and L&T is negative to consolidation. So out of these 8 stocks, 8 key constituents, 3 are clear positive, 2 are negative, and 3 are consolidation or negative consolidation. So overall market का sentiment we can see it is going to be in the consolidation phase. First half के अंदर market लग रहा है, see market Gift Nifty is showing around 24,150, 160. And exactly 24,140 is the key level. अगर उसके ऊपर रहता है निफ्टी then it will become positive. और अगर 24,140 के नीचे जाता है then there is a room until 23,950. So उस 200 points की range में it will start again consolidating. We will on the short term we will leave the positive bias and we will go for the consolidation aspect. Right now it's पॉजिटिव टू कंसोलिडेशन. अगर 24,140 के नीचे चला जाता है देन इट विल बी प्योरली कंसोलिडेशन फेज. सो व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू, बिकॉज if market is positive to consolidation zone, you have different kind of trade activities. If it is purely consolidative zone, then you have different kind of activities, because at that point of time you can expect VIX to increase a bit, and if it falls below 23,900, then VIX will increase a lot, and there will be a little bit of panic in the market. So that's how Nifty is going to play. And now if you look at the Bank Nifty levels, so Bank Nifty 56,800 is the key support zone, and 56,800 के ऊपर अगर हम देखते हैं, then 57,500 is the first support which we are expecting that Bank Nifty is going to respect. अगर वहाँ से fall करता है, then only we will talk about 56,800. But for the day, because why I am saying that Bank Nifty is expecting to respect 57,500, because ICICI Bank positive side में है, it is capped on the positive, but definitely जो negativity है इसके अंदर ज़्यादा नहीं होगी. अगर ये गिरता भी है तो maybe because it has run up, so it has to fall down a bit before running up again. So that's where ICICI is positive but capped. HDFC Bank already कल ठीक ठाक गिर गया है रिजल्ट्स के बाद, so we are not expecting that to fall down a lot more. So that's where it provides comfort. SBI Bank is a big positive. So from those perspective, the banking sector, we are not expecting to go down much. So overall, there is no panic in the market. You can play according to the positive to consolidative kind of trades. How do you play that? You can join us, you can subscribe our plans, and we can guide. If you are, it doesn't matter whether you are investing 10 lakh or you are investing 10 crore. The plans which we are offering are scalable. Same kind of plans can be scaled up to any kind of capital. So it's up to you how much you want to invest, but we have solution for you. Yeah. So that's it. Subscribe and like. Thank you.